Hello everyone. Today we will solve LeetCode problem 112. Here we have given one binary tree in that we have to find a path, and also we have to compare that the total sum of that path to a target sum. And if we find any path that sum is equal to target sum, then we have to return true. And the path will be from root to leaf. Like here we have 5 4 11 2 5 4 12 7. So like that we have so many paths. Okay, so whenever we got any on any path sum is equal to target sum, then we have to return true. So let's start. So first of all, here we will use recursion to solve this problem. So now let's assume if we don't have our root. If we don't have our root, in that scenario we have to return simply false. And now let's assume we have only one root, like only not one node we have in our binary tree. So there we have to compare the sum of the value of that particular node with the target sum. So else if not root dot left and not root dot right, in that scenario we have to return root dot value is equal to target sum. And here now let's assume now we have the length of our binary tree is greater than 1. Like if we take the example of this binary tree, so here we have 1, then 2 and 3. So if we start from 1, then we have two options, left and right. So we can move in the left direction and in the right direction also. And then we can add the sum there, and if the sum is equal to target sum, then we can return the value. So for that we have to write self dot has path sum. So here we have to go in the left side, and now our target sum will be root dot value, target sum minus root dot value, because we are moving from 1 to 2. So here our left will be 2 and the target sum will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. So like that. And if now here we have two condition, left and right, and if we got our path in left and right, then we have to use or operator here, because if we got that part in left, then there if we have value true. So true or true or true or false will be true always. So that's why we have to use or here. Same thing we have to do here, but in this scenario here we have to use right. Instead of left we have to use right. Give me 1 second. Yeah, right, just right. Now let's try to run this code. As you can see that it is running perfectly fine. We are starting from the root, and then we are moving in the left direction and also in the right direction, sum in it. So yeah, we passed all the test cases. So like that we can solve this problem using recursion. We have here two simple conditions. After that, whenever the total nodes, the size of total nodes is greater than 1, then we will do this operation, and in the end we will return true or false. So like that we can solve this problem using recursion. So thank you for watching this video. If you find any doubt in this solution, then you can comment in the comment section. And also if you want to get solution of some other problem, in that scenario also you can post, or you can upload that problem name in the comment section.